So I believe this problem is on the quiz, and I wanted to add it to make sure that everyone had a fair chance of getting it right. We need to find the distance CD, which is a tangent line. In order to do that, we need to label some other links in here, like AB. What would distance AB be? Well, we can tell that the radius of circle A is 12, and the radius of circle B is 8, so that would make distance AB 20. Now, that AB is not parallel to CD, and that's not a rectangle. ABCD or ABDC would not be a rectangle. That's more like a trapezoid. So I'm going to draw this line, which is perpendicular to AC. It would make a rectangle here. And if we could find this line, the length of this line x, that would also be the length of CD. Now I see a little right triangle in here. Is it possible to figure out what x is using this little right triangle? Well, what would this distance be? Since this is a rectangle and this dB is 8, this would have to be 8, which makes this little leg of the right triangle 4, because 8 plus 4 is 12. And now we can use Pythagorean theorem to figure out what x is. X squared plus 4 squared equals 20 squared. And do some algebra here, and we get 8 root 6 for the length of CD, which is about 19.6 centimeters.